Good morning, dear student. In the today lesson, we are going to learn how to insert image in your web page. Now look at here. This is one example of the website pexels.com. It has already inserted so many beautiful pictures. Like this, you can insert images in your web page or website. You can insert different types of image in a web page. There are different types of image like GIF, graphic interchange format, PNG, portable network graphics, JPEG, joint photographic expert group. These three are the common types of image you can insert in your web page. When we insert image in your web page, the web browser will display the image that is inserted in your web page. To insert the image in your web page, we have to use the img command. This is the example of the inserting image in your web page. So you have to write this way: angle bracket open, img, it stands for image, src is source, equal to, you have to write the name of the image in double quotes. Then you have to close the angle bracket. And this is simple code to insert image in your web page. In case of the img tag, it has 5 attributes, or you can say properties, and the first attribute or the properties is src. It stands for source. So in the value of the src, you have to write the image file name, or you have to write the URL, the full link of the image. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Now look at the first example: img src d HTML plan.gif. Now it means that the plan.gif, this is the image. So here it mentions full part of the image. The plan.gif is located in the HTML folder, and HTML folder is located in the D drive. So it mentioned the full path of the image while inserting in the web page. Or you can write like this: img src plan.jpg, and this time the plan.jpg and the web page are located in same location, or you can say in same folder. At that time you can simply write this way. Sometimes you can insert the image from the internet. At that time you have to write img src, and this is the full path or the image address that is already inserted in the internet. So you have to just copy the image address and then just paste over here. Then it will display it in your web page. For that you need the internet connection to display the image on your web page. And the second attribute is alt. It stands for alternate text. Now it means when the image is already inserted in the web page, due to some reason the image is not able to display on the web page, at that time this text will display it instead of the image. That's why it is called alternate text. So in the value of the ALT, alternate text, you can write up to 1024 characters. In case of the third attribute, that is aligned, it has 5 values: left, right, top, middle and bottom. Okay, and by default the alignment of the image in a web page is left. If you want to apply to right, then you have to right, and top, middle, bottom is based on the text. So you can write this way. This is the example: img src tibet.jpg. This is the name of the image, and this is the aligned equal to right. Now we will going to align this tibet.jpg to the right side of the web page. And the fourth one is height and width, and these values specify the height and width of the image. If we mention height and width, at that time you are going to increase the size of the image, or you can decrease the size of the image by using this height and width attribute or the properties of the image tag. So you can write this way: img src tibet.jpg width equal to 500. 500 means 500 pixel. Pixel means 500 dot. Height is equal to 600 means 600 pixel. And the last attribute is border. If you want to apply border around the image, then you have to write the border attribute, and the border attribute carries a value, a numeric value. And this example is the complete example of the img tag. Img and source, this is the name of the image that you are going to insert in your web page, and this one is alternate. If the image is not able to display it on the web page, and the hello text or the letter will display instead of the image. And the next one is aligned. If you want to align the image to the right side, then you have to write right. And height is equal to 300 pixel, width is equal to 300 pixel, and border is equal to 5. Okay, thank you. We are finished with the today lesson. We will continue with the practical session. Thank you. Have a good day.